In this lesson, we are going to create professional looking logos. I will cover everything, from making a logo out of a template to completely creating one on your own. So let's get right into it. There are hundreds of great looking logo templates right in Canva. You can literally find a template for every type of business. And to make the search process easier, you can simply go through the different categories up here. But generally, I recommend that you go through all of these templates freely, because if you only search by categories, it's very likely that you will only see those cliché logos. For example, if I search for a coffee shop logo, only logos that are typical for coffee shops will pop up. In that way, you will not be able to create a unique brand and differentiate yourself. You already know what makes a good logo from the previous lessons. Therefore, we can instantly start. But before you go and create your logo from scratch, we'll have a quick look at how to edit logo templates. In this example, we're just going to make a logo for an interior design company. Now, of course, you could pick one of those typical logo templates for that, but I want to have something a little bit more unique. I think that one could work well. Since many other companies will already be using the standard logo templates, it's very important that you differentiate yourself by editing some things. I highly recommend that you start by modifying the colors. At this point, it can also be very helpful to rewatch the color psychology lecture. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit to find matching colors. So I just decided to go on the Canva color wheel website that I've already shown you before. And there we go, 3 perfectly combinable colors. Now that our colors are set, it's time to further optimize our logo. Now, since this isn't a real company, we can't really connect any dots. But we know that the company specializes in interior design. Therefore, I think we should really emphasize the word interior. I just used the website LogoPound to search for some inspiration. And while I was browsing through all of these different logos, I had a pretty solid idea. I want to keep the logo minimalistic. That's why I decided to surround the logo with a wall. Of course, it isn't a real wall as an object, but just a few lines to provide the logo with some more structure and emphasize the point of interior. As you have just seen, it doesn't take much to dramatically improve your logo. Just a few small details here and there, and the end result will be awesome. Now I want you to create your own logo from a template. And if you do not have a real use case for your logo, just do what I did and make a company up for the sole purpose of practicing. I also advise you to use your own editing routine. So if you prefer editing the shapes first and then the colors, you can certainly do that too. Also, make sure to use all of the resources. So if you aren't sure about the colors, use the Canva color wheel. If you need some inspiration, go on the websites that I've shown you before. Take your time and have fun.